When I got started, people were pissed at corporations because we were just coming out of the 2008 crash. They were pissed at companies and corporations. It's all their fault. They crashed the whole market, right? So what was working is handwritten letters. Anything that looked like it was coming from a person to person, and it was my wife and I want to buy your house, my family and I want to buy your house. We were doing those handwritten postcards. We were killing it with those. We were doing very, very well. What happened is, like everything, marketers screw all of it up. So too many people came in the market doing the same thing. Now people got burned out from that. Now they want back to companies and official people. So they want nicer letters, more professional. They want to see better business bureau ratings. They want to see that you have a website. You know, they want to see if you're a realtor. Believe it or not, being a realtor gives you a certain level of credibility, a certain level of, you know, like they can trust you better. Even though I've seen some stupid ass realtors, they don't know any better, but it helps you in the long run. You can use a lot of that stuff, but the direct mail is still, it's very, very expensive. You're looking at, depending on what it is for postcards, about like 75 cents to $1. And for letters, you're looking at like $1.20 plus. I mean, it gets pretty pricey.